You can serve this with rice, jeera rice, fried rice, roti, paratha, naan. It's awesome actually. Very tasty. Do give it a try and do subscribe to our channel. Friends, welcome to our channel, Bite Size Adventures. Today let's make a deem kosha or a deem dalna. The kosha is a little on the dry side and dalna has a little gravy to it. I've already boiled the eggs, hard boiled them and pierced them nicely with a fork or a toothpick so the spices get into it. Put some salt, some turmeric powder, chili powder. Mix this up nicely with gentle hands. Boil some potatoes in the micro. This is optional. You can put it or you can avoid it. Bengalis are very passionate about their potatoes. Put oil into your pan. The oil is hot. Put your eggs into the oil and fry them. The eggs in oil, put some whole spices. Cumin seeds whole, red chili, bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, clove. Now I'll add onions. The 4 medium-sized onions that I have chopped. For the onions to caramelize, fry the onions till they are a little brown. A tablespoon of freshly ground ginger garlic paste. The spices, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt. Now, chopped tomatoes. These are 4 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. And cook on medium flame till the tomatoes melt and get mushy. Add your potatoes with green chilies. Then your eggs. Garam masala. If you want a kosha, which is on the dry side, just put 1/4 cup of water. Kosha is ready at this stage. I will add a little more water because I am making a dalna and let it simmer for a little while. Your deem dalna is ready to be served. Let me know which preparation of egg you like the best. Let's serve it.